Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ila Potfode and I was so excited to create this look for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Guys, so I'm done with my base makeup and now let's start with the actual face painting. So first I'll make a line. I'll make 2 lines up, 2 lines down. Then I'll connect those lines and I'll do the same thing on the lower bottom, and then this will become a butterfly. I'll make a circle, 2 antennas, and now I'll just darken the butterfly a bit, and then I'll make this beautiful design. People who make henna, who do henna, they know all these designs. So yeah, even I do henna, so I know them. So yeah, I'll do this is just something I imagined, and I'm just freestyling and I'm doing. I hope you guys like it, and it's really simple and easy to make. Now here I'm again making a butterfly, and I'm using the same steps. First 2 lines up, 2 lines down, then just connect the dots. And you could also leave it just like that and make a dragonfly, but I thought now let's stick to the butterfly theme. 2 antennas, and again I'm just darkening it a bit, and again I am making the same design down, and I'll make 2 leaves. These are leaves which I'm making. Yeah, so yes, and now again I'll just continue with the theme. I'll make leaves, I'll make this pretty design, and now I'm making dots. First I'll make a big dot, then a small dot, and just keep on making this dot. It looks great. And here I'm making a small you could say flower, but it almost looks like a sun, but I'll just darken the edges a bit so it looks like a flower. I think this theme is all aesthetic. It looks aesthetic. If you ask me, it looks all floral aesthetic. And now I'm again adding those small designs on the upper part, near the arc of my eyebrow. So here now I'm done with outlining the look. So now let's move on to the next step. So for the next step you will need a small flat brush. It's an angled brush, and I'm using this Miss Claire's lip cream, and I'm just taking a little bit of product and I'm applying it on the butterfly. I'm applying it in its wings, and I'll apply the pink color on both the butterflies.
Between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Let your body go.
Now I'll use a flat brush. This is a small flat brush, and I'm taking some of the Pond's BB cream, and I'm just applying this on the open areas like the head of the butterfly, then the leaf,
and all these circles which I've made, I'll apply it there, because on this BB cream I'll apply eyeshadow to give it so that the color pops on. I don't want the color to look pale, I want it to pop on. So that's why first I'm using this BB cream. You could also use a liquid concealer, but BB cream is affordable and it just does the job. Now I'll use the Swiss Beauty Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette, and I'll use its purple color to fill in the head of the butterfly.
We still got few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your heart.
Now from the same eyeshadow palette, I'll use this teal blue color to fill in the circles. I'll not fill in the leaves, I'll only fill in the circles.
Just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Now with the same eyeshadow palette, I'll pick the dark green color and now fill in the leaves.
I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words you remember.
Now with the same liquid eyeliner, I'll just darken everything out. I'll just darken the borders, shade in the butterflies. I'll just darken the butterflies to give them some life so that they look nice and natural. I don't want them to just look pale. I want them to look nice and bold.
I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words you remember. Now we're here.
If you have a golden or silver eyeliner, you could use that and make dots around the butterfly so that the butterfly looks realistic and it grabs more attention. I do not have a golden eyeliner or a silver eyeliner, so I did not apply, but if you have, go for it and apply. And this is very creative, you all can do it as per you like. You can make changes to this look and recreate it. I will be really happy if you recreate this look and if you give it your own touch. So here is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. It just turned out as I imagined. So now let's move on to the eyes, and for eyeshadow I'm using this Oddbo Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this pretty orangey shade in as a transition in my crease.
Few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs.
So now I'm using the Miss Claire Glimmer Stick for eyes, and I'm using it on the outer corner of my eyes so that the next eyeshadow which I will be applying, it just pops up. If you apply a white underneath your eyeshadow, it will eventually pop up. So now I'll use the Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this dark green and applying it over the glimmer stick so that my eyeshadow pops up nicely and it looks as a pop of color. And now I'll blend it all out nicely, and I'll blend it a bit with the transition shade as well.
I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I linger between the words?
Now with the help of my ring finger, I'll apply this shimmery green color, and I'll apply it on my inner half of the eyelid. Now I'm using the Miss Claire's glimmer stick for eyes, and I'm using it on my lower waterline. It will make my eyes look wide open. This is a really affordable product, and you could use it on a daily basis.
Between the words to say the words to remember.
Now I'm using the bright yellow shade from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm applying it on the inner corner of my eyes so it will make my eye look pop. I'm using the same eyeliner to create a winged eye. I want to tell you guys that this eyeliner is really good. I personally like it, but it's not matte, it's a bit shiny. So if you're a matte lover, don't go for this, but if you love shiny eyeliners, then it's a must buy. I'll link it in the description box below. Go check it out. Guys, for mascara I'll use the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. This is the best mascara I ever came across. If you want to invest, or if you're wanting to buy a mascara, just invest in this mascara. You will also love it.
Until the very last hour, we still got few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much.
And now for blush, I'll again use this pink color as a blush. I'm using it on a fluffy brush. As I told you, I love using my eyeshadow palettes as my blush bronzer because I like using versatile products. I like investing versatile products. And for highlighter, I'll again use this Oddbo Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'll use the white shade. It's a white shimmer, and I'll use that as a highlighter to highlight the higher points of my face, like my brow bones. And for lipstick, I'm using the Blue Heavens liquid lipstick. Oh my god guys, this is the best lipstick I ever came across, and it's so affordable. It's a must have. This is the final look, you guys. So guys, this was for today's video. If you like this look, do recreate and share it on Instagram, and do tag me, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel.